Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance very easy to see. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos, but a super interesting dynamic going into the weekend. Again, each of these represents 30 minutes. I bring that up because on the final 30 minutes, and I guess today's Friday, so not only the final 30 minutes of the day, but also the final 30 minutes of the week, got a nice volume surge, and the price is now slightly up above that red line there, which has been an area of resistance I've talked about before. And I should note this is not like some sort of secret or great discovery on my part. Anybody that uses charts, understands charts, is going to be wondering the same thing. But the big question now going into next week is this the start of something bigger? Is this a true break? A true break having two parts. The first part is the obvious one. Well, yeah, a price has to break above a certain level. The second one, though, is can the price stay above it? And that's where the big question comes into play, because there have been other instances where, yeah, the price has gotten up above that area, but it's never been able to quite stay up above it. So for that, I'm still going to consider this a level of resistance because I want to see if the price can actually maintain above it or if the price is eventually going to drop down below it. So the big question mark, like I said, right up there at 22.75, can the price stay up above it? And again, I don't want to come across like this is some sort of revolutionary discovery on my part. This is just very basic stuff that a lot of people are going to be wondering about. But to give full credit where credit is due, well done on the Bulls part for, getting that first checkbox, checked off in terms of at least getting up above the level. Now next week, it's all about trying to stay up above it. In the event the price does not hold up above it, and if this is a fake breakout here, then it's not the end of the world. You still have plenty of areas of support down below the price. Still have $22 down here, which I talked about in previous videos. And then just an absolute thing of beauty. Look right where the price happened to bounce off of today. That purple line there, the 50 period simple moving average. It's done it before in the past, so more reasons on why I kind of just laugh at people when they say, charts don't work or charts are worthless. Listen, are charts perfect? No, nothing is perfect. But to sit there and just say that they're totally irrelevant, it's just ignorant. Because look at it, look at that. 2 times. What coincidence is that it happened to bounce right off that purple line there? So good little examples there of how charts do work. Overall, though, great way to close out the week. And yeah, let's see if this is the start of a bigger breakout or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.